Coming up, this year's drought has forced people in one county into water restrictions. We'll tell you what they're having to do in Harrison County. Plus, the president makes a stop in the Bluegrass where he campaigns and meets world champions. LEX 18 News is on the air.
Now, from WLEX, with coverage you can count on, this is LEX 18 News at 11.
The alert is out in Harrison County. Don't use water unless you absolutely have to. The county's water shortage is tonight's LEX 18 big story at 11. Good evening, I'm Nancy Cox. Kevin Christopher has the night off. A little after 2 o'clock this afternoon, people in Cynthiana were told all non-essential use of water was banned. Just a few hours later, the restrictions went into effect for the entire county. Amanda Trosper is live in the LEX 18 newsroom with how people in Cynthiana are responding. Amanda.
Nancy, most folks in Harrison County say they knew it was coming after a summer with very little rain. How they're dealing with a water shortage alert is tonight's LEX 18 big story at 11.
It is pretty much the talk of the community at the present time.
And if a picture is worth 1,000 words, then sights like this are leaving folks in Harrison County speechless. This is what's left of the mighty Licking River after a summer of little rain. Some spots are so dry you can walk to the other side.
There's an impact on all industry and especially farmers, even the school system as far as, water quality for kids and, laundromats, car washes, groceries, everything. So it's a direct impact on the community.
Tom Spicer says the lack of rain is starting to show up in other places as well.
Well, I think you see a kind of a depression from customers. They get depressed because they aren't able to, carry on with a normal lifestyle, such as, mowing